Are you looking for the best slacklines for kids in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best slacklines for kids that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Jugader Slackline 50-foot Ninja Line. The Jugader Slackline Ninja Line offers 50 feet of fun and challenge for kids. It doubles as a lower slackline or an upper ninja line, and it has 13 obstacles that can be spaced to make the experience more challenging as kids improve their skills. A 6-stair rope ladder allows kids to get set up and start with stability as they begin their backyard adventure. This slackline kit comes with everything you'll need to get their aerial obstacle course set. It includes 1 ninja line, 1 slackline, 2 twin gear ratchets to make tightening a breeze, 1 rope ladder, 1 twister, 2 traverse rings, 4 gymnastic rings, 3 monkey bars, a swing seat, 3 bars, 4 tree protectors, 14 metal connectors and a handy storage bag to keep everything nicely contained when the set isn't in use. This would be a terrific activity for any family with kids as it can hold up to 440 pounds and each obstacle can handle up to 160 pounds. If you've got a tomboy on your hands, she'd love this as a gift. Moving on at number 4, we have the Perantlb Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course for Kids. If you've got the space for a pretty expansive setup, the Perantlb Ninja Slackline Kit has so many options for nearly unlimited fun. This 50-foot slackline kit includes everything you'll need to get this up and running in no time. You'll get a 50-foot slackline with a 7-foot ratchet line to keep it tight. You'll also get 2 tree protectors to use on both the upper and lower lines. This kit comes with 15 high-strength carabiners as well as buckles to affix your obstacles in a way that's most challenging for your kiddos. This set comes with a wooden rope ladder for easy access, a seat swing as well as a tree swing, 2 kinds of monkey bars, 6 monkey rings with rubberized grips, plus 2 balance belts. The balance belts are ideal for teaching kids how to use the lower slackline in a more traditional way without the ninja obstacles up above. With a weight limit of 440 pounds, this setup can hold several kids or a couple of adults so parents can use it to build their fitness as well. At number 3, we have the Fofana Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course for Kids. If you've got a family with kids that are big and small, you're going to love this Fofana 65-foot Ninja Line kit that accommodates kids of all ages with easily adjustable obstacles to challenge their agility and build fitness. With adjustable hardware, it's easy to position and then reposition each obstacle depending on who is using the course. This long line comes with 2 monkey bars, 2 gymnastic rings, 2 freestyle rings, a spinning wheel, a monkey fist, and a ladder. This kit uses top-quality locking carabiners rather than sliding buckles to attach obstacles to the line, which means they're super safe and can hold up to 1,000 pounds, although 250 is the recommended maximum. This kit comes with a heavy-duty ratchet with padded ergonomic grips allowing you to tighten the line without hurting your hands. We also love that the tree protectors include sewn-in loops that keep the line in place without slipping. At number 2, we have the Ninja Warrior Obstacle Course for Kids. This awesome obstacle course for kids has a 50-foot ninja slackline, along with 9 obstacles including gymnastic rings, both triangle and round, monkey bar holds, and monkey fists, a ninja wheel. But it has a few things others don't, including a webbing ladder, high-quality trapeze bar, and bonus grip tape. The Ninja Slackline Kit is impressively flexible, allowing you to move obstacles as far apart or close together as your kids need. You can switch it up as they progress in skills and bravery. This kit allows your kids to practice on the slackline or use it as a ninja line, which gives them lots of fitness options while they're at home. This set is really geared toward full family use as each of the obstacles can accommodate up to 250 pounds. It can also handle more than 1 kid at a time, although that could cause the line to sag. And finally at number 1, We have the Hyponix 50-foot Gorilla Line, Slackline course. Whether you're ready as a family to face a serious slackline, one that extends 60 feet is going to present a challenge whether you're a kid or an adult. This slackline kit goes so much further though because it comes with 13 obstacles and accessories to transform it into a wicked ninja line as well. The 2-inch wide slackline can handle from up to 250 pounds, so we're talking about serious safety here, no matter your age. The obstacles can be adjusted to make spacing easier at first and more challenging later. You'll also get a heavy-duty industrial ratchet that can and should be one of your key must-haves. Obstacles include 4 gymnastic rings, 3 monkey bars, and a rope ladder. You can also get an obstacle expansion pack that includes a spinning wheel, 2 traverse rings, and 2 monkey fists, all of which can be moved apart to make this course more difficult once your kiddos have experience. This kit features adjustable nylon straps with buckles, locking delta clips, tree protectors, and a carrying bag to take your fun wherever you go. Slacklines are great for improving posture and overall conditioning, per the experts at Hop on Slacklines.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.